Today I've got a little unusual thing for Harbor Freight. Not necessarily the main line, but a pair of hair clippers. Now I bought this specifically for beards. And it is probably the worst pair of clippers I've ever had. Seems to work okay, but it pulls the hair out as much as it cuts it. I normally try to show you all the options that come with something. It comes with a variety of these. And I didn't really care so much about showing you all the options because it's a piece of crap. Probably the most painful beard trimming and haircut I've ever had. And I just put it in this old wall box and put it in the cupboard. At the time I bought this, it was $6.99, and it wasn't really worth going back to Harbor Freight to return it because I didn't really live near one. I bought it on a trip. And it's literally a piece of crap. Go buy you a wall brand, W-A-H-L, and save yourself the pain. It actually comes with a comb and a pair of scissors, but I tried everything. I went through here and I tried different adjustments. It seems to run okay, but it doesn't work. It looks like it works, but it doesn't. It pulls as much. Normally I would show you how it works, good or bad, but it's just a piece of crap. I don't know what is wrong with it, but it is one of the most painful haircuts I've ever got. Sounds like it works, feels like it works, but it pulls, it doesn't cut. So take your money and buy something worthwhile. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.